potpourri of leather outcuts by the pound. Leather cuttings from leather shops at $8.50 a pound or as marked for larger pieces. A large variety of sizes, colors, and textures. Available in-store only. Are you an artisan feeling crafty? Many great ideas for our leather cuttings are on the web. Make one-of-a-kind iPhone cases, small purse or clutch bag, a shoe bag, tote bag, or any other small bag. You can even make a bag to carry a pocket knife in easily. Or how about decorations for your home? You can make some coasters for your coffee table and put them on display as decorations. The possibilities are endless. At SchindlersFabrics.com, Schindler's Upholstery and Fabric Shop Incorporated in Cleveland, Ohio.